So this is a video called CB Snopper. It really stands for ClickBank. So you can check out these products to see if they're any good or not. So just 1 minute as we log into ClickBank. So here we're in ClickBank and we've got all the sections, and we notice on CB Snopper it's got the same sections. It mirrors ClickBank, so we can check these products out. Are they really any good or not? So here's one here, the sort of live chat jobs. The gravity score is really high, so it's out of 100, so it's really high. 94 is about as high as you can get it, and initial conversion you can make $4. Future rebill means that when the user purchase this product and you make a sale, if they stay with the program for 2 weeks or a month, whatever it is, you get that monthly, so it's quite good. So average conversion is $77. So take a look at CB Snopper to see if this product's any good. So that actually comes up here, socials rep, the name of that one. Gravity's near enough 95, but click on it and you can just see it in more detail. It's telling you the same information, which is ClickBank obviously would put accurate information. What you can earn, as it says on ClickBank. So this product has been on there for almost 10 years, since 2017. The gravity is quite high, but a lot less people are purchasing the product. The income, I suppose, is the same, and then here it is if you want to reach out. They've got their email address, so you can actually get the link from here, and then you can look at these products in a lot more detail to see if they're worthwhile promoting. So the ranking system that they have is up, but down 0.4%. So you can think, is that a really big change or not? And then the last 7-day earnings, it's been as high as that in, what's that, 23rd of April. So that's kind of improved on their average earnings, but percentage wise, gravity over time, look here, when it started it was quite amazing, and it's actually came down. So you think, oh, 95 is quite high, but over time it's actually came down, but they still rank quite high. And here is the earnings over the last 14 days, which is quite steady as well. So you think that might be okay to promote. The figures are quite steady, but over a certain period of time, over the last year, it's came down a wee bit. So you might think, well, that's not worthwhile. And then you could look at a different product. Maybe you're not interested in email marketing at all. Maybe they do all sorts of products. Piano for all. You could click on that next. Oh, that's came up. Just showing you ClickBank at the start that these products are on ClickBank. So you can earn $27 a sale for piano for all. And then it's got the affiliate tools which you can use to promote, and we'll take a look at this one. So it seems to be doing quite well, over rank 60, and it's up 2, and the gravity is up as well. And over the last 7 days it has, I'll work this one out actually, 24th of the 4th, which is just a couple of days ago. So it seems to be improving, but the gravity over time, it's came down quite a bit, but it's still quite high, and overall it's went up. over time the gravity rank is increased as well. So you may look at that and think, well, that's worthwhile as well to do. So it's just giving you quite good data using ClickBank Snopper, snooping on these products and seeing is it worthwhile. So that's basically how it works. And if you're interested in promoting ClickBank products, you can use it to look at these things and think, is it really worth it? But if you're looking to start a business that trains you from A to Z, from start to finish, which is a wee bit more advanced than a lot of the ClickBank products out there, it's something really special, then take a look at the link in the description, and we'd love to hear from you and see you there. We have a free bootcamp and a free community like nothing you've ever seen, so we hope to see you there. Bye bye for now.